Kia ora and welcome back to another meditation in the urban jungle that is Christchurch. I'm just going to use a mixture of gentle breath practices and guided meditation to reduce any stress or anxiety in the body and the mind. So if it feels good to you, just invite you now to close down your eyes. And allowing yourself to be present with that mixture of beautiful native birds, the wind, and the tones of the city in the distant background. Just taking a deep breath in through the nose and releasing. Just feeling the earth beneath you. Be allowing yourself to be teleported into this beautiful, peaceful environment alongside me here. And the gentle breeze blowing through the leaves and the trees. And the smell of damp earth. On the wind. The slight chill of the autumn air. Giving thanks and gratitude to the land that we're on. I'm just going to take a few breaths here together. In through the nose, out through the mouth, deeply and fully, drawing in and relaxing the exhale. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Drawing in deeply in through the nose and relaxing the exhale. Breathing in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling. 3, 2, 1. In. 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhaling. 3, 2, 1. Drawing in and releasing. And drawing in and releasing. And continuing in the rhythm that suits you, drawing your presence, drawing your awareness back into your body. Allowing the tones, the energy of nature to support you. Just coming back to the breath. feeling that energy, that maybe it feels like a tingling sensation moving through the body. Can you use those inhale breaths to move that sensation through your body, allowing that energy to move? Reminding ourselves that stagnant energy that's not in motion, can cause stress and tension in the body. Just a few more breaths. And 3 more. 2. 1 more big breath in and releasing, letting it all go. And whenever you're ready, just returning to gently breathing through the nose. Just noticing how your mind feels, how your body feels in this brief practice. Maybe you've cultivated some stillness, some peace, some quiet in the mind. And can you bring that peace back with you into this day? Knowing that once it's been created, it's yours to experience fully, to enjoy fully. And slowly beginning to deepen those inhales through the nose, breathing right down to the soles of your feet. And bring your awareness back to your physical body as you begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Taking a nice big breath in through the nose and sighing it out. And taking as much time as you need to come back into the space you're in right now. Gently blinking your eyes open. Thank you for joining me today in this little patch of paradise in the hills of Christchurch. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.